The NVX NPKG212 Subwoofer Kit delivers a robust audio experience with its powerful dual 12-inch subwoofers, providing a maximum output of 1,000 watts for deep, immersive bass. Equipped with a Class D Monoblock Amplifier, this kit is designed to ensure efficient performance with clear bass, featuring a low-pass crossover and bass boost for optimal sound quality. The precision-crafted enclosure is made from CNC-engineered medium-density fiberboard, offering superior bass response and long-lasting durability. A remote bass level controller is included, allowing easy adjustment of bass output right from the driver's seat, offering a personalized listening experience. This subwoofer kit boasts universal compatibility, making it a versatile choice for both factory and aftermarket audio systems, facilitating easy upgrades or replacements. With high-quality components and thoughtful design, the NVX NPKG212 Subwoofer Kit stands out as a top choice for enhancing your car's audio system.